welcome back to another video. So in this video, let's see how to drive in night time. So make sure your windshield is clean and your headlights and your mirrors are very clean, and make sure you have your low beams on and the level is in 0, so you get a wide spread of the light. And while overtaking, please use your indicators and never miss it. Flash your high beams when you're overtaking, so it will indicate people that you're coming in the way. And use the speed lane only to overtake and move back to the middle lane. New learners, try to stay around 60 or 80 kilometers per hour, so it's very useful.